By the way, the time is wrong, by the way. I gotta change it. Still not going off. What the heck?
This is a required monthly test for all 0005. Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour un 0005. Je répète, ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour un 0005.
These two haven't gone off in a while. I don't know why these aren't going off. Like, there's that.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0005.
I mean, this one goes off, but not these two.
Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0005.
By the way, these two radios haven't gone off in a month. So if anybody in the comments can mention why and how to fix that, that would be nice. All right.